Good morning, my beautiful bunnies who listen. All right, here we go. This is week 6, and this is practice 1. All right. Freezer at the butcher shop is a right rectangular prism. Right rectangular prism is a fancy way of saying it looks like a box. It looks like a box from the bottom to the top. It has a volume of 108 cubic feet. It is 4 feet long and 9 feet wide. What is the height? So you know that length times width times height will give you the volume. So let's fill in what you know. It is 4 feet long. It is 9 feet wide. You don't know the height, but you know the volume is 108. All right, so it's 4 times 9 times some number will give you 108. Well, let's just multiply 4 times 9 together. 4 times 9 is 36. So now you know that 36 times some number is going to give you 108. Now what I suggest you do with this is you just add 36s until you get to 108. So 36 plus 36 is 72. Add 36 again, and you get 108. And that gave me 1, 2, 3 36s. So 36 times 3 is 108. The height of this box is 3. All right. For this, you're going to choose the table that does not show. This is how it's going to trick you. This is how it's going to trick really smart kids, because you're going to miss this word. So you want the one that does not show the X row plus 2 gives you the Y row. So let's figure out the relationship for both of them, and we'll go from there. So this goes from 3 to 5, from 9 to 11, from 7 to 9, from 4 to 6. Every time it is adding 2. Now, kids that are not paying attention will circle that one and be done with it. But you want the one that does not show the X row plus 2 will give you the Y row. So let's look at this one. 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10. This is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 every time, going from the X row to the Y row. So this is X plus 1 will give you Y. Okay, so this one does not show X plus 2. All right, next one. A delivery man had 3,158 bottles of Mountain Dew in his truck. The bottles were packaged in cases, as they are. When you go to the grocery store, you know Mountain Dew, you can buy it in cases of 12. There are 12 bottles in each case. The driver delivered 458 bottles to a store, so how many cases were in the truck after the delivery? So I want you to make a bar for the total number of bottles. He has 3,158. Then he makes a delivery. So he delivers 458 of them. Let's figure out what's left here. So I'm going to take a handy dandy piece of paper, because I know Miss Ross said don't be scared to use paper. It's fine. We won't be mad at you if you use more paper. 3,158 minus 458. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And I cannot take 4 away from 1, so I borrow here. And then this turns into 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. And bring down the 2. So he still has 2,700 bottles to deliver. And the question asks, how many cases is that? It says, how many cases is that? Well, you know that there are 12 bottles in each case. So you're going to take this 2,700 and you're going to divide it into boxes of 12. 12, 12, 12, and you're going to keep going until you have boxed up all 2,700 of them. Ms. Ross, how do I solve that? Well, if you have the total and you need equal parts, then you need to divide. So 2,700 divided by 12. How many 12s are in 2? There aren't any. How many 12s are in 27? There are 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract, you get a 3. Bring down the 0. How many 12s are in 30? There are 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract, you get a 6. Bring down the 0. How many 12s are in 60? There are 5. 5 times 12 is 60. Subtract, you get a 0. So once you have boxed up all of those 2,700 sodas, you will have 225 boxes or 225 cases of soda. All right, next one. Ms. Harper ordered 4 different colors of markers. She ordered 15 of each color marker, and she also ordered some pencils. She ordered 4 times as many pencils as markers. So for this one, I like to make a chart, okay? So she's got 4 different color markers, and then she's got some pencils. So you'll need 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have 5 sections, you got to draw 4 lines, okay? So how about we just do blue, green, purple, orange, and then down here, she's got the pencils. All right, she ordered 4 different color markers. We got that. There's 15 of each. So this is 15, this is 15, this is 15, this is 15. And then it says she ordered 4 times as many pencils as she did markers. So you got to get all those markers added together. Now you can either do 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, or you can just say 15 times 4. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so she's got that, and then she orders 4 times as many. So times 4. Here we go. 15 times 4 is 60 times 4. To figure that out, what's 6 times 4? 24. And then add your 0 gives you 240. So there is your answer for that. All right, and the last one. Which one of these is a polygon that can have exactly 4 sides with the same length? All right, so let's mark out the ones that we know don't have 4 sides. All right, mark this one off. Triangle does not have 4 sides. Regular hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Mark it off. So that leaves us with a rhombus and with a rectangle. Okay, well, you know that a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So that's not it. And a rhombus will work, because all a rhombus is it's a square that's been blown over and its sides are equal. All 4 sides are equal. So this is a rhombus. All right, guys, have a great day. Love you, bye.